few tears at that gig, better than biting the head off a bat, I suppose. Time for a look at the weather. Helen Willetts is here. Hi, Helen.
Hi there, Fiona. Well, some rather turbulent weather we've had today, and it's got its time to run just yet. So let me show you the good before I show you the bad. This beautiful sunset here in Highlands, Scotland. However, this is more like the scenes that we've been seeing across the south coast this Dawlish here. The gusts of wind quite lively, picking up now across the Northern Isles and further east across the English Channel coast. And with it, there's quite a lot of rain. That stretches from the southeast right the way up into Northern Ireland, Western Scotland. We've had a bit of snow as well, and we could well see a little bit more snow that heads the valleys roads, for example. These gusts of wind, as I said, the strengths heading into the Eastern Channel, into East Anglia and Lincolnshire as well. So if you're travelling with the wind and the rain, potentially hill snow, it's not a particularly pleasant evening out there. Now, overnight it becomes stuck across Scotland, but where the sky's clear, it's colder air. I'm talking about snow, so we will see a frost and we will therefore have that risk of ice returning after what has been a mild week. Of course, it's not too distant to memory. It was happening last week, but just to be aware, there will be some rather slippery conditions around tomorrow. Not just tomorrow morning, but Sunday morning as well. So we've still got that patchy rain, sleet and snow slow to clear from Scotland. This next low pressure slamming into France could cause some issues over there. Rain event for ourselves, but obviously with the rugby taking place, that could have implications. Into the afternoon, and that rain and sleet and snow, as you can see, is still around into the morning hours. It doesn't really relinquish its grip across the northern half of Scotland in particular, but got a good deal of sunshine. Yes, it's chilly first thing in the morning, but the temperatures will recover to say 6s and 7s. It's not as mild as it has been, and there's that rain and potentially that arc of cloud with it as well. Overnight, tomorrow night, we get more showers, so again the ice risk is fairly high, but into Sunday, well, there's a lot of dry and fine weather around, just a few showers around the periphery. Again, it's not warm, it's 7 degrees Celsius, but I think you'll see, Fiona, it's not too bad this weekend.
Good. Helen, thanks very much. A reminder of our